Keep your eye on the road.
Yeah. Watch what you're doing.
Is there a car behind
No,
me?
negative. I'm watching. I was in front of you. Oh, he's going to turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm gonna go a little bit more faster.
How does it feel knowing how to ride a bike? Huh? How's it feel?
Good.
You know how to use your brake?
Hi, Kayla.
You know how to use your brake, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Listen, I just think you're killing me.
Let's turn around. Let's go home.
No. Whoa.
Why are you
Are you
running so
taking a
fast?
video?
No.
You are? Good.
Slow down. Use your brake.
Slow down.
Nice.
Whoa.
Good job. Wow. The teacher and the student.
You think you know how to get started on your own?
No.
No?
That one high?
But I might fall. I tried.
Nope. Put your foot on that one. Well, good Jeff, get out of the way. Push hard on that one. Just push.
Oh.
All right.
I told you.
You'll do it.
Uh.
You learn how to ride.